Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, babes? I'm Kay. Today I am gonna go and get my hair done. It is a Tuesday and I've got an appointment at 1, but I actually am gonna go do like a treatment on my real hair first before I go to my hairstylist and install a beautiful curly wig. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you would know that I have been feeling the curly lately. I've been doing the curly, loving the curly. So this time I decided that I'm gonna do a frontal. It's gonna be a bob, still very short. I've been loving the short curls, so I feel like I'm gonna do that again. And I am going to be installing another wig by OMGHERHAIR. I don't know if you guys remember, but the last time, well, it was actually our first time working with OMGHERHAIR and we were blown away. The girls were stunned. The girls were stunned. I actually loved that wig. That install was fantastic. It was beautiful. It was undetectable. And it's the same for this hair. So the lace has been pre-plucked. The lace has been pre-bleached. The lace is ready, okay? The curls as well have been pre-bleached. I did not have to do a single thing to this wig, okay? So I will put the details of the wig in the description box and you guys can go and shop this wig. I definitely recommend this company, especially if you're the girl who does not want to pluck, does not want to bleach, doesn't want to do anything to her hair. So I definitely recommend it and I am very excited to keep working with OMGHERHAIR and keep showing you the great units. So I'm excited. Let's go get our hair done. I don't necessarily want to style this hair any sort of way. I want to keep it the way it is. I want to keep it short. I want to keep the bob. I want to keep it blonde, middle parts. Like I just want to keep it very simple because I just think it's beautiful. I just think it's a wig that I'm going to keep in my collection for a very long time. And I just think that it's exactly like it works perfectly the way it was styled. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not very anxious about time because I'm going to be very close to my hairstylist, so that's fine. The wig that I'm going to be installing, I will have all of the details in the description box. It is a frontal and I really recommend that you shop OMGHERHAIR or at least go onto the site and look. But one thing I will definitely tell you now is that the quality is impeccable. So you are definitely never going to have to replace a wig that you get from OMGHERHAIR ever. You're never going to have to replace those wigs. So yeah, without any further ado, you guys, let's go and slay because I actually have not had a frontal in a minute. And you guys know, like, the one thing that gives me the most serotonin is getting my hair done. Like, I love it. So that's what we're gonna do, you guys. I will check you later. And yeah, let's go do this. Alrighty, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is prep my hairline. As you can see, fresh cornrows, period. I did say that I was going to go and get my real hair done before this appointment. So we are going to be doing the glueless method and we're going to be doing the ball cap method. I'm going to be using 𝙊𝙂𝙃. I always use 𝙊𝙃𝙃. And then over here, she's just blow drying the actual stocking cap just so that it sticks on and we've got a nice base to work with. This wig was super easy to apply. Very quick install. Like I would literally left in like 30-45 minutes. Normally I'm there for 2 hours if I'm styling a wig. So here we are just going to pop the wig on. As you can see, she is fresh out the box and I don't know if you can peep that hairline, but if you can't, I literally slowed down and I showed you guys the pre-plucking. When I say I literally had nothing to do with this pre-plucking. My hairstylist did not touch it. Literally came out of the box looking like this, you guys. So good. So then we carried on. She cut my ear tabs already. And then over here, she is just cutting the lace. I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks fresh lace cut, no glue. That is how beautiful it looks. Like, it's such a good, seamless, beautiful lace and very soft and stretchy. So that's how she looks without any glue. And then we're going to start applying the 𝙎𝘼𝙃𝙀, and she's just going to apply a very, very thin layer. You actually don't need a lot of 𝙎𝘼𝙃 to get a good hold. And then she's going to take the mousse and we're going to start styling. So the install was super quick and the styling itself is also extremely quick, which is why I love curls like this. She puts the elastic band onto my hairline to make it melt, and then it's time for the towel because it's about to get drippy in here, okay? So this is us applying water. Literally, this is all we needed. We just needed some water. I don't know if she put some conditioner in the water, but literally that's all we needed. So she starts brushing out the hair. When I tell you guys, these curls were so beautiful. They were so soft. They were so feminine. I absolutely loved them. And I like the brown, that little blonde tip at the bottom. I think it adds just such a beautiful feminine flair to the wig. And if you guys are interested, I highly recommend this wig, especially because spring is around the corner, you guys. I highly recommend this wig. The description box will have the link to OMGHERHAIR, and it will also have the direct link to this hair. I absolutely recommend, guys. Definitely check it out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one.